Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. Thank you very much for being here. Today I bring you this look, which is the third video or video number 3 of the series of videos that I'm making about natural makeup looks. If you want to see how I did this look, please stay and watch. Okay, I'm going to start by blending in my foundation, and the foundation that I'm using today is this one, which I'm not sure what the name is, but I'm going to show it to you so that you can see it. It just reads Natural Liquid Mineral Foundation, vegan and gluten-free. I like it because it's an organic foundation, so it doesn't have any of the bad chemicals or anything of those things in there. And as usual, I'm going to be combining my foundation with my BB cream from L'Oreal. Now I'm just going to go ahead and blend in my concealer, and this is the one that I use. I wet my sponge with some water, so I'm just going to go ahead and blend in the concealer. And I'm going to wet my sponge a little more and apply my powder. I like to put it on my hand and from then putting it on my face to set my concealer. And I'm going to apply the powder wherever I apply the concealer. Okay, we're gonna work on the eyes right now, and I'm gonna start by putting this product on. It's a NYX pencil and the color is Milk. And I'm putting this product on my eyes because the eyeshadow that I'm going to be using, the colors are going to be kind of light colors, and I want them to really show. And since I have dark skin, when I apply light colors, they don't tend to show all that much. So in order for them to pop, or not to pop, but to really show, I need a base. So that's why I'm applying this base. Notice that I apply the white base up to here, and that's where I stop. I'm not going all the way in. I'm gonna use this color right here. It's a very pale gold color, and I'm going to apply it all over my eyelid. Then I'm going to use this brown, which is a really pale brown, and I'm going to place it right here, right there in the outer corner. Then I'm going to switch for this brush, which is more, still has a nice pointy tip, but it's a little thicker. And I'm going to start blending. And I'm just gonna do circle motions and then in and out to blend it. And I want to make sure my color goes all the way here, and that it goes all the way here. Now I want to show you something. You see how the brown eyeshadow has touched some of the yellow or got on top of the yellow eyeshadow, and that's a good thing because it means that they are well blended. But at the same time, for this look, I don't want a lot of the brown eyeshadow to be on top of the yellow and then reduce the space of the yellow. So I'm gonna go ahead and reapply the yellow just to make sure it's there. But I'm gonna do that at the very last moment. I'm not gonna do it just right now because I'm gonna be applying another color, which is this really dark brown. So I'm going to take some and I'm going to put it right here on this corner. And I'm gonna go ahead and with this brush I'm gonna start blending it in, and I'm gonna do just circle motions in order to blend it in. And I'm gonna keep myself just in this corner. I'm not gonna go in. If I need to apply a little more, then I do so, because I want this corner to look intense in color. Now I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna pick up this color, which is a really light cream color. Apply it right here in the middle and then blend it in from there. You don't have to do this step if you don't want to, but I'm gonna pick up this color, which is also a cream color, but this one is darker and it's totally matte, versus this one, as you can see, has some sheen to it. And I'm going to apply this color right here I only do it because I always notice that a shadow gets in there whenever I do my makeup, but if you don't have that happening to you, then you don't need to do this step. Now I'm gonna pick out again this dark brown with the tiny brush, and I'm going to put it right here, and I'm gonna go only until here, and I'm going to blend it in. And I'm gonna go up here, making sure everything matches and looks good. So now that I finished applying all my colors, I'm gonna go ahead and retouch my eyelid colors, light gold color that I put at the very beginning. I'm going to take this eyeshadow, which is a yellow color, or a gold color, but it's really shiny. And it's by NYX, and it's called Yellow Pearl. Place it right here in the corner, and then I'm going to blend it in. Go up and in. And I'm going to apply this white pencil on the waterline. If you apply a white pencil on the waterline, what it does, it kind of blends in with the white in your eyes. And by doing that, it kind of gives the illusion of your eyes being more open. So I'm going to put some powder on the areas where I did not put the concealer. And this is the face powder I like using. I'm going to contour also. I'm going to use this lipstick, which is pretty much a nude color. And I'm going to put a clear lip. I'm going to put a clear lip gloss on top of it. Sometimes you can talk when you're on camera, do you know that? And I like to apply it with my fingers because I don't want to dirty the whole container because it's a clear color. And for blush, I'm gonna be applying these little pearls, which is a combination of yellow and peachy tone. So I'm applying my highlighter right now, and I apply it right here, a little here. Okay, everybody, this is the final look. I hope that you like it. It's a very natural looking look, but this time is one that is more elaborated compared to the other ones that I did for this series. And that's something that I did wanted to achieve, start from the very bases, the very simple and fast ones, and then go increasing a little by little, you know, until we get to more complicated but still natural looking looks. That's it for today. Thank you very much for being here. If you like the video, like it, subscribe, and comment. Let me know what is it that you think. And nothing else for today. See you next time. Bye.